Children, how are you all? Right. Do you remember what we studied last week? Yes, five detectives. Who are five detectives? They are small children like you. Do you remember? Right. Arul, Amuda, Srijit, Jessie, and Fatima. Were the five detectives. And there was an inspector also. He is called as Inspector Velayudham. Then Srijit's dog Pablo, it plays a main role in solving the mysteries. So where did we stop? Yes, Srijit was disguised as an old man and he was handed a packet of chocolate by a man. This was the clue they have given. So at the same time, Inspector Velayudham also came there and he took the old man as the culprit and he locked him in the prison. While this was happening, the 5D gathered in Jesse's garage. What is garage? Have you seen it? Garage is a place where cars are kept. In big houses, in big bungalows, there was a separate place for keeping the cars, isn't it? Like that, they were sitting on the Jesse's garage. They opened the chocolate to find a small chit. He has a packet, isn't it? Srijit. They opened the packet and they saw a small chit in this. Chit means a note written on a small piece of paper. They opened it and found a list of grocery items. Grocery means what the things we need for our house ingredients. They were very confused. What is this? Why they have kept the grocery items here? Because they expected something else would be there. Amuda, Sri, is it a code? Code means is it a clue? Srijit, yes, it seems so. Amuda, I wonder if it is some kind of magic pen like the one you showed us. When we show it under a light, we can see the writing. They had a pen. When we write something on the paper, it won't be visible. But when we show that under a light, it will show what was written on the paper. Jessie, it could be. I still have this pen with me. I will go and get it at once. So Jessie went to her home and get the pen. Jessie got the magic pen. They flashed the light on the paper and some words glowed on it. So she brought the pen. They showed the magic pen or light on the paper and some words were written there. The message was, tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday 9 p.m., number 5. It was a clue, code word. Tell number 3. They have to inform number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday 9 p.m. I suppose it was a place where they have to meet and the day was given and time was also given. The note was given by number 5. It was a clue word, number 5. Arul, tomorrow is Tuesday. So the gang is meeting tomorrow. While they sat in the garden, Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit dressed as the old man. He was furious. Furious means he got very angry because he was in a disguise, isn't it? What is disguise? Do you remember? In the last week's lesson we studied. Yes, change the appearance, one's own appearance. Then Srijit had to confess. Confess means, oh, I'm sorry, what I did was wrong, like that. He handed over the chit to the inspector. The inspector was glad to have found the chit, but was furious about their behavior. He was happy to have the chit, but he got angry about their behavior because they are small children. No, something will happen to them. If the robbers may saw them, they will do something wrong to them. So he was worried. He warned them to stay away from the case. So he warned. Warned means what? Echirikadu should not do like this. He warned them to stay away from the case. Srijit's idea was to disguise himself as a wax statue. Then again they were planning. This guy, Srijit, disguised himself as a wax statue. What is statue? Yes, the figure of a person made of metal or stone. Have you seen the statues? Tevar Silai, Anna Silai, like that we say, no, Mahatma Gandhi statue. As it will be the most easy way to get all the information. So this could help them to collect the information. He wanted to disguise himself as a wax statue. That evening, all of them went to waxworks. They were at the wax studio. They observed each statue and noted down details. And they went to each and every statue and what are the things they wore, what kind of dress they wore, like that, every details they took down. While getting out of the wax works, Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. While getting into the thing, they opened a window and go. Then again when they come back, he unlocked. What is the meaning unlocked? He didn't lock that window. Do you understand, children, why he unlocked that one? Because he again has to enter the wax studio. So he didn't close the window. Tuesday night. He saw the inspector inside waxworks and had no way of getting in without being noticed. When they go in on Tuesday night, who was there? Inspector Velayudham was there. So they were afraid to get into the wax studio. He was really sad and went home. In the morning, Srijit heard the news of Inspector Velayudham arresting the 3 robbers and also the diamond necklace. So they couldn't enter the room, so they went away. But in the morning, they heard the news that Inspector Velayudham arrested 3 people and the necklace also he got it. Everyone was upset that they didn't get the chance to solve the mystery. So they were feeling very sorry, upset. Upset means worried because they didn't help anything, isn't it? As they sat in Jesse's living room, they overheard Jesse's father on the call saying, "Where is the real necklace?" So while they were sitting in the living room, Jesse's father was speaking to someone on the phone. What was he telling? Where is the real necklace? So what Inspector Velayudham has got is not the real necklace. This news alarmed the 5D. This news, it was very alarmed means shocked the 5D. Who are 5D? 5 detectives, right? Fatima told everyone to rush to the city as some message will be passing regarding this. So they plan to go into the city for getting more information. Within no time, the 5D was in front of the old man's bench. Where the old man was sitting, same bench, they were in front of the bench. Everyone sat at different places to keep an eye on the man. So they are hiding somewhere in all the places and looking at the old man's bench. Everyone sat. After an hour, a man came and sat next to the old man. Sometime later, a man came and sat near the old man. The old man was busy drawing something on the ground with his stick. He was drawing something on the ground with his stick. They noticed that Inspector Velayudham was observing at a distance and started following that man. So, not only these people are waiting, these people are hiding, but Inspector Velayudham is also watching this. But they waited for the old man to leave and went to see what he had drawn on the ground, and it said waxworks. So after that, the old man went, they came to that place and saw what he was written on the ground. What was written there? Waxworks. It was written waxworks. At waxworks. Srijit, Amuda, if you were to place the diamond necklace in this place, where would you place it? He was asking Amuda. நீ மட்டும் இதில் இருந்தேன்னு வச்சுக்கோ எதில் வச்சிருப்ப அப்படின்னு சும்மா ஒரு க்ளூ மாதிரி ஹி வாஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் அமுதா. Amuda thought for a second and said, on the princess statue. She already wears so many jewels that this will be go unnoticed. She said, I will keep the necklace on the princess statue. Why means? Because she was already wearing so many jewels. So if you put the real necklace on her, it won't be seen by many people. Everyone's eyes lit up. Lit up means glow. Wow! They walked straight to the princess statue. They saw the diamond necklace. Srijit carefully removed it and kept it in his pocket. So this could be a great idea. So according to the idea, they went near the princess statue and saw the real necklace was on her neck. So Srijit carefully removed and kept it in his pocket. As soon as they came out, there was a senior policeman standing. The children went straight to him and handed over the diamond necklace. When they came out of the thing, another policeman was standing. So they went and gave the real necklace to the policeman. They told him the whole story. Then they narrated what are the things they did for recovering the necklace. They were appreciated for their courage and dedication towards the city. So this policeman, he appreciated these 5 Ds and for their courage and dedication for the city. Do you understand? Being small children, we can also do many things, isn't it? In the first itself, I told, National Bravery Award was given to small children like you every year on the Republic Day. So you too can do something worth for the sake of city or your town or your country. Okay, now let's go to the glossary meanings. Look at the picture and see the words. Garage, a small building where car is kept. Garage, a small building where car is kept. Gang, an organized group of criminals. An organized group of criminals. Third, furious, very angry. Furious, very angry. Fourth one, confess, to admit that you have done a wrong. Confess, to admit that you have done a wrong. Fifth one, observed. Observant, keenly watching something. To watch something carefully. Observed, to watch something carefully. Seventh one, overheard. To hear without the speaker's knowledge. To hear without the speaker's knowledge. Seventh, alarmed. Feeling worried. Alarmed, feeling worried. Eighth one, statue. The figure of a person that is made of stone or metal. Statue, a figure of a person that is made of stone or metal. Now, let us understand. How far you have understood the lesson? We are going to check. Match the following. Pablo, Velayudham, Srijit. So this side they have given Inspector, Old Man, Dog. Pablo, what is Pablo? Yes, dog. Velayudham, Inspector. Srijit, Old Man. Okay, come to the B. Choose the correct answer. Pablo was the dog of Dash. They have given 3 answers. Which is the correct answer? Pablo was the dog of Srijit. Good. The message was to gather on Dash. There was a message written. No. The message was to gather on Dash. Which day? Tuesday. Right. Third one. Dash overheard her father's talking on the phone. Who overheard? Jessie. The answer is Jessie. Now answer the following. What did the five friends call themselves? This question we have already written. I have given the answers here. The five friends called themselves the five detectives or 5D. The five friends called themselves five detectives or 5D. Who disguised himself as an old man? Srijit disguised himself as an old man. Who is in charge of this case? Inspector Velayudham is in charge of the case. Fourth one. What was the message on the chit? Tell number 3. Waxworks. Tuesday 9 p.m. Number 5 was the message on the chit. What was the message on the chit? Tell number 3. Waxworks. Tuesday 9 p.m. Number 5 was the message on the chit. Fifth one. Who guessed the location of the real necklace? Amuda guessed the location of the necklace. Who guessed the location of the real necklace? Amuda guessed the location of the necklace. Sixth. Will you solve a mystery with friends? Why? Yes, I will solve a mystery with my friends because I will solve my mystery anywhere. Not at I will solve any mystery anywhere. This is your own answer. If you want to write something else, you can write also. Will you solve a mystery with your friends? Why? This answer I have given, but if you have some other answer with you, you can write it by yourself. Right. Now, come to let us build. It's a vocabulary. Look at the picture. Two girls were standing. We too went to the hill, so we felt too happy. 3 words were given in different color. We too went to the hill, so we felt too happy. What is the difference between the two? Is there any difference? Yes, the spelling is different, but the pronunciation is same. Right. Here the words two and two sound alike, but they have different meaning. We know that all these kind of words are called homophones. Let us see how two and two differ in meaning. They have given pictures. You watch them carefully. Those two went. Here this two means number 2, right? Those two went to the mountains. Where they are going? They are going to the mountains. And felt too cold. Here this two means very, very. Here 2 is used to show the number. 2 is used to show the place or direction. It can also come to show the reason also. 2 means very or extreme. These are the meanings. Now let's see some of the examples. Look at the pictures carefully. 2 tables are too small to lift. 2 tables are, these are number, too small, 2 means very, to lift. Reason, they have given the reason, right? Now look at the pictures, you have to fill it up, right? This is the work for you. Fill in the blanks. The students are going dash school. Which 2 will come here? Students are going TO2, right? Next picture. There are dash chocolates. It's a number. How many chocolates are there? 2, TWO. The tree is dash big. The tree is, it means very, too big, right? Now B, tick the correct answer. We like dash play. We like dash play. Which 2 will come here? Right, you choose and write. I ate dash many chocolates. I ate dash many chocolates. Which 2 will come? You have to Right. I will be coming in dash days. They went dash the park. Okay, C. Fill in the blanks with 2, 2 and 2. Mom had promised dash take Ben and Jill dash the zoo. The dash children were dash excited that they could hardly wait for Saturday dash come. They wanted dash take their baby sister with them. But mom said she was dash young. Is it clear, children? You have to write where the number 2 comes, where the direction 2 comes, where the very 2 comes. Right, do it and send it my WhatsApp number. Study the question answers and do all the exercises in your notebooks. Right. All the best. Thank you, children.